Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 62. Today we show you a super fast and easy tool for URL shortening called Yellkey. We all know URL shorteners like bit.ly or tinyurl.com or tinycc or even the soon-to-be defunct goo.gl. I'm partial to tinycc above all of them, but they all do have a couple of common weaknesses: custom URLs and bloat.
Wrong, sir. Wrong!
Now, before you flame me in the comment section, yes, you can create custom URLs with many of these services, but you do have to make increasingly more obscure custom URLs because they get taken from other users. These URLs have to be unique. In fact, if you want to be polite, you shouldn't snag custom URLs like tinycc/Google Guides, since that consumes it for everyone in the world. So you're stuck using things like tinycc/fdrisa-Google Guides or something like that. An alternative is to let the service pick that, but that can be tough since it can sometimes produce difficult URLs like this. So what the heck is that? Is that a capital I or lowercase l? Is this a 0 or an O? Is this capital K? That's case sensitive. Is that a 0 or O, another L or I, or a 1 maybe? So you're back to making custom URLs just so that you can communicate them well. Then you get bloat because you have so many URLs that you really don't need long term. Yellkey is a good complement to these services because it lets you generate auto-expiring short URLs that are human-friendly. You get a shortened URL that expires anytime between now and 24 hours from now, and think of it like a Snapchat of URL shorteners, and then it just disappears and doesn't work anymore. This is great for links you need to share for just a short period of time, like an in-class activity or a sign-in sheet link, or whatever else. You simply copy and paste the URL that you'd like to use, set the expiration time, and hit generate Yellkey. So by the time you all are viewing this video, this will no longer send you to that video anymore. Yellkey doesn't require an account or a login, and it takes seconds to use, and it makes very easy URLs for your audience to type. I use Yellkey for those one-off links that I need to share with folks and keep my tinycc for my more permanent links. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful, and if you did, go ahead and click that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Leave a comment or an idea for Tech Tuesday in the comments below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.